Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You've entered the meeting. Start immediately by joining audio on your computer so Zoom can route system sound. Click Share Screen, but don't click Share yet. First, check the Share Computer Sound box in the lower left of the dialog. Once done, pick the window or full screen containing your audio source. This ensures only the chosen content transmits. Make sure any local mute is off and system volume is audible. This step connects your computer audio into Zoom's mix, so participants will hear it. Now refine how Zoom handles your sound. Open Settings Audio and enable original sound for musicians, then check stereo if available. These preserve frequency and separation. When sharing, tick Optimize for video clip if your content includes motion. This balances frame rate and audio sync. Once you start sharing, monitor both your system output and Zoom's volume meter. Tweak application and OS volume so the signal isn't clipping. If you're routing from an audio interface or mixer, set levels conservatively to avoid distortion. To finish, click Stop Share so Zoom releases system audio back to local control. This prevents accidental continued broadcasting. Make sure you mute participants or use push-to-talk to prevent echo during playback. You can also enable the participants' mute on entry. If attendees report no sound, the key troubleshooting tip. Verify your OS output device matches the one selected in Zoom, confirm Share Computer Sound was ticked, and check app permissions. Restart Zoom if necessary to refresh audio device access and resolve driver glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.